Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need mobile data, an unlocked tethering plan, and enough battery. Once ready, open settings. Navigate to network and internet, then hotspot and tethering. This path varies by OEM, but the section name is consistent. Tap Wi-Fi hotspot to enter the setup screen. You're starting the actual process now because this is where you enable sharing. Make sure to glance at estimated data usage and battery warnings so you don't run out mid-transfer. Once on the hotspot screen, configure the network name and security so connecting devices see a recognizable and safe SSID. Select WPA2 or WPA3 and enter a strong password. This prevents open access and data snooping. If your phone offers AP band options, pick 2. 4 GHz for distance or 5 GHz for faster transfers. Make sure to save changes. Finally, toggle the hotspot switch on. You'll see a persistent notification indicating devices. You've turned the hotspot on. Now connect a laptop or tablet by selecting the SSID and entering the password you set. Once connected, check hotspot settings to monitor active devices and data consumption so you don't blow a limit. If a device won't connect, try these fixes. Toggle the hotspot off and on, restart Wi-Fi on the client, or reboot your phone. This clears temporary network conflicts. If problems persist, confirm carrier tethering permissions and AP band compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.